Hi guys, my name is Lily and I'm going to be talking about the homework gap. I'll tell you guys what it is, when it started, solutions that have been attempted to be utilized to help this problem, and how it affects our community and lives today. So what is a homework gap? The homework gap refers to students who are falling behind academically due to their inability to have access to internet. So the start of the homework gap began when teachers started to utilize online resources that benefited the academic growth of the student. It was noticed in 2013 when an analysis of the census was performed, and it was reported that 40% of the population didn't have access to internet at home. Connect Home USA. So this is a program that was considered a solution that the Obama administration put into action by sending devices to families that needed it. It also provided internet and training of basic computer readiness to coding and maker instruction. So this organization helps families with school-aged children who live in two different types of housings. It could be the U.S. Department of Housing or the Urban Development Assisted Housing. So there's only 25 communities that benefit from this program, and only one of those communities are in Kansas, and that one would be in Lawrence. So the coronavirus. Although the percentage of students that don't have access to internet has went down from the 40% it was in 2013 to 14% as it is today, it still truly affects the lives of every single student and almost eliminates the learning experience for students who have no access to internet now that online school is the only option. Although they can get packets and have interactive learning with their parents and people who are hands-on that come to the house and help them learn, but it's not as interactive with multiple students or with different games that they could interact with. So KASB and E-rate. So as of April 7th, there was an article released that the Kansas Association of School Boards has urged the FCC, Federal Communications Commission, to improve Kansas's student access to home internet service. So they are encouraging them to accept E-rate funds to be used for home internet access. The E-rate program, which I thought was really, really interesting because I had never heard of E-rate or really dove into how the schools and libraries obtain internet. It is a service support program that helps schools and libraries obtain affordable broadband. So it would be, they recommended or suggested a specific amount, and the FCC hadn't gotten back to them, and I think they were waiting. But as the article that I had read, they had urged the FCC to help utilize the E-rate for home internet access. So I thought that was really cool. And those are my references.